So another entrepreneur tip that I want to give you to help you maximize your business, and it do not cost you anything, is just monitoring the people around you. I got a guy, Herman, Haitian CEO. He says audit your circle. Meaning you need to audit the people around you. You need to check the people around you and see if they're actually aligned with what you're looking to do. You need to surround yourself with trustworthy people, people with integrity. If you don't have a set standard, like a set of rules or guidelines that you live by, I want you to figure that out first. Like, how are you going to operate? Do you have integrity? Are you trustworthy? Are you honest? You want to figure out what that is that you like, and then only surround yourself with those type of people. Because a lot of times, like, we'll be held back because of the people around us, where the people around us are saying, don't do this, don't do that. It's going to be hard to do this. You can't do that. The reason why they're saying that is because they're reflecting on themselves. They can't do that. So they're going to say that you can't do it because they can't do it. But it don't have to be like that. If you surround yourself with 4 rich people, you will be the 5th rich person. If you surround yourself with 4 poor people, then you know the rest. So I want you to change your circle of people that's around you. You don't have to drastically cut them off, which that's what I would recommend doing. You know they're not helping you out anyway. They're not benefiting you in no way. And they don't have to be just you benefiting from them. But if they're benefiting from you and you not benefiting from them, they're just living off you or mooching off you, or they're just not productive in any type of way. Every time you get with them, you get drunk or high, or you waste time. That's not the type of people you want to be around. So I would cut them off immediately. But if you want to be nice about it, just slowly wean yourself away from those people so that you can start meeting your goals. Because the circle of people around you is going to influence how fast you shoot to the top. Just think about it. If you chill with 4 broke people, everybody's scraping up change to try and go and get whatever they're trying to go get, because since they broke, they're probably not investing, they're probably not making money. But if you hang out with 4 broke people that's all scraping up change, all you're going to do is be the other person scraping up change too. But if you hang out with 4 people that all have $100,000 in the bank, they operate a little differently. They talk about different things. They plan about different things. Like, their day is going to look different. And that's the kind of habits that you need to mimic. And that's the kind of things that you need to learn in order to get to the level that you want to get on. Because obviously, if you're not there yet, something is not right. You do not know something. And the more you learn, the more you earn. So cut off those people around you and hang out with the people that you're supposed to hang out with, because they're going to take you to the top.